Okay. Kailangan na ulit.
You want some money? There's some snacks here. We could check.
Go ahead. Hey, bro. Sorry. Ah, yeah. Oh, what's in this?
Choco peanut butter.
Choco peanut butter.
Yep.
Wow.
Normally people buy here the snacks and then have it repacked. The same with I bought
Oh.
sticks.
Kasi pagkita, ma'am.
Tanaw lang sa mga. Pagkita na.
Parang biscuit ka lang, ma'am. Walang peanut butter, 60 lang siya. Tapos ka na siya, 120, 140, 170.
1 kilo.
Kana siya, imported ng duwa na native mo.
How much for the peanut butter?
Kaya din dako?
55.
55? Kaya dako?
For this? 55?
55. 35 is small.
35.
Wow.
So wanna buy, bring some.
Yeah. Yeah,
How
might
much
as well.
was it there? 90?
In Cebu, this is like 110. Yeah.
That's why people come here to buy a
Oh.
lot.
Well, let's buy one then.
Okay. What about chips?
I'm okay on chips, but
Peanuts.
Hey, limapulot yung masulot.
no.
You don't want to put it as isa lang po yun. Salafino.
Asa din mo.
Salafino. Ilan ang vlog mo yun?
20 mo.
Ang breadstick.
Big stick 20 po mo.
Ito na?
cheese o kanyang chocolate.
Plain lang.
Asa man.
Plain lang na breadsticks.
Kana sa gid mo. Mga pila pa.
Kana lang sa peanut butter.
Stay! Tagay 50. Cambio 50. Okay rin. Mana? Ma'am, salamat sirs. Thank you so much.
Thank you.
Ang pawo.
Mm.
Hindi na siya nga.
Oh.
Ulit. Bawa na yung top. Hindi na.
Sa isinta cambio, dua ka tagbayin.
Very cheap, right?
Yes, Amanda.
Yeah. Very cheap.
So a lot of people come here and buy a lot and then resell it.
Ah,
Especially the peanut butter, the bulat.
the peanut butter was crazy. I was like, what?
Even ask again. 55.
Oh yeah.
How much was we bought?
9 each.
Hindi naman kaya sa power.
Ay, wala di ice. You want buko?
No. I'm good. Hmm?
Ano makatatay, di ba?
Master, natay prutas diri. Barato kayo. Ordan, tagsisiyang isa.
There's more
Pwede
fruit
sa
there.
kulungan niyo.
Okay.
Sinigwelas, kakunan ng kilo. Ay, hindi ko ang 1-4.
Let's go.
Hmm?
I wanna try that. Try.
No, I'm okay.
Ilan yate? 10 or 20? Isa lang
Simol.
patay.
Tamam. Ateneo, Bonifacio, Cadinia, Bada, Magalis. Banya, boy. Bada, Magalis, boy. Simol, Bada, boy. Cadinia, Bada.
You think this is sweet?
I guess.
Lobster, atay prutas, malakaw kayo, organ, hindi ang isa, pwede sa global sinikwelas, pag 100 ang kilo, 25 ang passport, naghang Pilipinas, namasa, diabetes, cancer, digestive system, immunity, non-diversity, good for hair, this is nutrients, kapal sa lumas, Perintah, kami kayo. Lobster, tatay prutas diri. Barato kayo. Pulkan, pag-city ang isa. Pwede tag-global key. Sinikwelas,
Ay.
pag 100 ang kilo. 25 ang passport. Naghang Philippines. Samasa. Diabetes. Cancer. Digestive system. Immunity. Anti-food. Good for hair.
Do you want donut? You want? You don't want donuts? Okay. No, bro.
Lobster, atay prutas diri. Barato kayo. Pulkan, pag-city ang isa. Pwede tag-global key. Sinikwelas, pag 100 ang kilo. 25 ang passport. Naghang Philippines. Samasa. Diabetes.